Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Haley's Nashik facility, is emerging as a key hub for the manufacturing of advanced fighter jets in India. The facility is already engaged in the production of the indigenous Tejas Mk1A light combat aircraft, LCA, and in the future, it is expected to manufacture the advanced medium combat aircraft, AMCA, and potentially the Russian Su-57E. The Nashik plant has previously played a crucial role in the production of Su-30 aircraft, which is the backbone of the Indian Air Force. Under a licensing agreement with Russia, this factory has successfully assembled over 200 Su-30 jets, showcasing its expertise in complex aircraft assembly and systems integration. Under initiatives like Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, HAL is focusing on indigenous projects. The Nashik facility is being upgraded for the production of Tejas Mk1A, a significant multi-role, lightweight fighter aircraft for the Indian Air Force. In 2021, HAL signed a contract worth approximately 748,000 crore, around $5.8 billion, with the Indian Air Force to deliver 83 Tejas Mk1A aircraft, and production is already underway. Additionally, the Nashik factory is planned to manufacture AMCA, India's indigenous fifth-generation stealth fighter program. The AMCA is designed with features such as stealth, supercruise capability, advanced avionics, and sensor fusion, with production expected to begin in the early 2030s. 5. Russia has also offered local production of its Su-57E fifth-generation stealth fighter at the Nashik facility, provided India decides to procure and acquire local manufacturing rights for it. This offer is based on the successful Indo-Russian collaboration on the Su-30 MKI project. 6. With these projects, HAL's Nashik facility is strengthening its position as India's key center for advanced fighter jet production, playing a vital role in enhancing the country's defense capabilities.